Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking for the best air humidifier in this video? I will show you the top 5 best air humidifiers to buy right now in your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and my research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more to find out more information about these products. You can check out the links down in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Item number 5 is a 2000 ml USB air humidifier. Specifications. Brand name, PDQ. Capacity, 1.1 to 2.5 liters. Power, W, 2 watts. Certification, SAE. Voltage, V, 5 volts. Noise, less than 36 dB. Origin, CN origin. Humidification method, ultrasonic. Water shortage power off protection, yes. Function, ultrasonic sterilize. Use, USB. Shape, commercial square. Application, 11 to 20. Humidity control, knob. Classification, humidification. Mist outlet quantity, 2. Time to market, August 15. Power type, USB. Type, ultrasonic humidifier. Timing function, no. Installation, USB. Humidifying capacity, 300 ml/H. Operation method, twist. Item number 4 is new XIAOMI MIJIA Smart Evaporative Humidifier. Specifications. Brand name, XIAOMI. Capacity, 2.2 liters. Voltage, V, 220 volts. Noise, less than 36 dB. Origin, CN origin. Humidification method, non-mist. Water shortage power off protection, yes. Function, pureness type. Use, household. Shape, commercial square. Application, 31 to 40. Humidity control, touch tone. Installation, tabletop, portable. Mist output, gallon, day, 5760 ml. Humidifying capacity, 250 ml/H. Operation method, remote control. Release date, 2021. Size, 231 x 174 293 mm. As item number 3, we've selected 4 liters humidifier. Specifications. Brand name, Tintin Life. Capacity, 2.6 to 4 liters. Power, W, 28 watts. Certification, CB. Certification, SAE. Voltage, V, 220 volts. Noise, less than 36 dB. Origin, CN origin. Humidification method, mist discharge. Water shortage power off protection, yes. Function, ultrasonic sterilize. Use, household. Shape, classic columnar. Application, 41 to 60. Humidity control, humidistat. Classification, humidification. Model number, TL1202. Mist outlet quantity, 1/A. Power type, A, C source. Type, ultrasonic humidifier. Timing function, yes. Installation, tabletop, portable. Mist output, gallon, day, 4 liters. Humidifying capacity, 300 ml/H. Operation method, remote control. Item number 2 is a new XIAOMI Original MIJIA Humidifier. Specifications. Brand name, XIAOMI. Capacity, 2.6 to 4 liters. Power, W, 17.5 watts. Certification, SAE. Voltage, V, 220 volts/50 Hz. Noise, 36 dB 45 dB. Origin, CN origin. Humidification method, mist discharge. Water shortage power off protection, yes. Function, other. Use, household. Shape, classic columnar. Installation, tabletop, portable. Mist output, gallon, day, 6,800 milliliters. Humidifying capacity, 280 milliliters/H. Operation method, twist. Release date, 2021. Size 185 312 millimeters. And finally, item number 1 in our list is Derma F600 5 liters Air Home Ultrasonic Humidifier. Specifications. Brand name, Derma. Capacity, 4.1 to 6 liters. Power, W, 500 W. Voltage, V, 220 volts. Noise, less than 36 dB. Installation, tabletop, portable. Mist output, gallon, day, 1. Humidifying capacity, 350 milliliters/H. Operation method, keyboard type. Capacity, 4.1 to 6 liters.